The term independent of x in the expansion of x plus 1 by x raised to 2 by 3 minus x raised to 1 by 3 plus x plus 1 minus x minus 1 by x minus x raised to 1 by 2 the whole raised to 10. First of all, let us simplify this expression. X plus 1 can be written as x raised to 1 by 3 the whole cube plus 1 cube. Now we can use the formula of a cube plus b cube. A cube plus b cube is nothing but a plus b into a squared minus ab plus b squared. So that this becomes x raised to 1 by 3 plus 1 into a squared, that becomes x raised to 2 by 3 minus ab, that is x raised to 1 by 3 plus 1. So this is x plus 1. Here it is x plus 1 by this factor. So from here we can find what is x plus 1 divided by x raised to 2 by 3 minus x raised to 1 by 3 plus 1, and that is nothing but x raised to 1 by 3 plus 1. Similarly, we will simplify the next term. Instead of x minus 1, I write x raised to 1 by 2 the whole squared minus 1 squared. Now it is a squared minus b squared, and that becomes a minus b into a plus b. So x raised to 1 by 2 minus 1 and x raised to 1 by 2 plus 1. So this is x minus 1. So we get x minus 1 divided by x raised to 1 by 2 minus 1 will be equal to x raised to 1 by 2 plus 1. Okay, multiplying an x raised to 1 by 2 on denominator, what will happen? We get x minus 1 by x raised to 1 by 2 into x raised to 1 by 2 minus 1 is equal to x raised to 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by x raised to 1 by 2. So here it becomes x minus 1 divided by x minus x raised to 1 by 2. That is what we need in this denominator, is equal to, separating x raised to 1 by 2, this becomes 1 plus 1 by x raised to 1 by 2, that is x raised to minus 1 by 2. And now the expand the two terms becomes these, the two terms becomes, the first term simplified to x raised to 1 by 3 plus 1 minus 1 plus x raised to minus 1 by 2 the whole raised to 10. So that is x raised to 1 by 3 plus 1 and minus 1 gets cancelled, and minus x raised to minus 1 by 2 the whole raised to 10. So we need to find the term which is independent in this expansion. So let us calculate the general term. The general term TR plus 1th term is given by NCR A raised to N R B raised to R. So that is equal to, N is 10 here, so 10 CR A raised to, that is 10 raised to, sorry, A is x raised to 1 by 3 the whole raised to n minus r, that is 10 minus r into b raised to r, that is minus x raised to minus 1 by 2 the whole raised to r. So this is equal to 10 CR x raised to 10 minus r by 3 into minus 1 raised to r into x raised to minus r by 2. So that the combined power of x becomes 10 CR into minus 1 raised to r into x raised to 10 minus r by 3 minus r by 2. So in the term independent of x, this power becomes 0. So we get 10 minus r by 3 minus r by 2 should be equal to 0. That is 20 minus 2r minus 3r all divided by 6 is equal to 0. That is 20 minus 5r is equal to 0, from which r is equal to 4. So to get the term independent of x, we need to put r is equal to 4. If you put r is equal to 4, you will get T5. T5 will be equal to 10c4 into minus 1 raised to 4 into x raised to this power exactly becomes 0. So the term independent of x is 10c4 and the value of 10c4 is 210. So correct option is option B.